Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw MATIC from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your MATIC tokens seamlessly between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, secure, and will save you time, especially with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and that your MATIC is available in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Assets or Wallet section. Here, find MATIC. It's also known as Polygon, and click on it to view your balance. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is usually a button right there on the asset page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the destination details. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet, select MATIC, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back on Coinbase, paste that Crypto.com wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of MATIC you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these might be optimized, but always factor them in. Once everything looks good, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and hit Confirm. After that, sit tight. The transaction time can vary, but with blockchain tech advancing, it might take just a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to confirm when the MATIC arrives. Pro tip: always use the same network, like Ethereum or Polygon, for both platforms to ensure compatibility. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn MATIC from Coinbase to Crypto.com. This process keeps your assets moving smoothly in the fast-paced world of crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.